Today we are unboxing this LED projector. Turn the video. This is just our fridge. Let's try to control it. So today we're going to be reviewing this LED projector. It's the brand is called Goody. It's from Amazon, and I got a cord with it. It's an HDMI to USB-C cord, so I can connect this projector to my phone and watch some school videos from there. So here's the cord. It's from Upgrow, and this is the. Let's open this up. I actually already opened it. I'm just showing you the box. The box looks like this. This is the accessories, and this is the projector. It's really pretty small and pretty light. And then here's the accessories. Comes in a little box. There's the box of accessories. So let me put the box away. So this is the box. The accessories. It comes with this cord, HDMI cord. So this is what I'm gonna connect to this one, so that HDMI cord, and then I got the wall charger, and then what else is in there? Oh, and I got the remote. Let's open this. Remote and the user manual. You can see that very good. The user manual. So we'll try it on here in a little bit. So let's take it out of the box. Here's the thing for it. Here's the projector. This is what it came in. There's the cord, there's the charger, the manual. So I removed the tips. I'm gonna try to connect it. So here I have connected the HDMI cord to the USB, so I'm just gonna plug this to my phone. I'm gonna plug the wall charger. I plugged the back to the wall charger, and then I'm gonna plug this HDMI to the projector. Plug it in. So I'm gonna put the flash on just so you can see. So I'm gonna plug the HDMI cord, the charger, and I'm gonna turn it on now. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's try. Will this work? I'm not sure if there's a battery on this. Let's check. Oh, nice. It already came with a battery. 2 AAA batteries. So it's on. So I turned the video. This is just our fridge. So it is pretty nice. This is even bright. I have all our lights on, so it should be a little bit better when I get the room dark, when I darken the room. Try the remote. This is the remote, and I'm gonna try to see if it works. And yeah, it does work. See, music. It says please insert storage device. So it works. photo. This insert storage device. So that's really cool. So you can like adjust, and then you can bring it forward to make it smaller and bring it backwards to make it bigger. It's very easy to set up, so I'm really happy with this. So that's our projector for today. I'm really happy with it. Now I can just plug it in my phone and watch a show with the kids. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.